Welcome along to today's Lugo video on the Lugo client portal and adding a new user. We're going to jump straight into the demonstration, and to do so we're going to go directly to the lugoit.co.uk website, and it's your email address which is the username on there. Once we've gone through the demonstration, we will go back and just do a quick overview just to make sure that you're happy with all of the information that you've been given on how to add in a new user. So we simply log into the portal, and I'm logging in as a user with administrator rights. Now Lugo can obviously amend those rights of different members of staff if necessary, if no one has administrator rights at the moment, to be able to add in new users. So I'm logged in as portal admin, so I have the ability to manage users, and I can actually click on there and then go to the add new user button at the top. There's a couple of mandatory fields marked with asterisks, so if I just fill them out. And the email address. And what will happen is that user will then be set up within the Lugo client portal by selecting the second tab along and clicking to activate the client portal, which will open up the username field, which we simply just make the email address again. And then if you just bypass the standard security levels and go with the custom security levels at the second half of this window, if you hover over admin user, you'll see the rights that that person would have access to. Or if they're just going to be a standard user of the system, you simply select that radio button. And save and close. So that user will be added to the list. And your next stage is simply to create a new ticket, and on that request type you have the option to add new user. You select the priority, so when convenient I would imagine in most cases, the ticket title, you'll notice that we've got an email coming through here to welcome me to the Lugo portal. And you select the contact, so if it's yourself that's going to be the contact, or you can actually select Mark himself as a contact to get back in touch with, or any more information that's required. A couple of follow-up questions, so please confirm that you have added the new user under the Manage tab, which was the first stage of the process, so either type yes, or if you can't add them for any reason, simply type no and then just give us a bit of information on why that's not possible. And then their name, so we can just cross-reference them, and the start date. And any other information that you feel is relevant, for example, if there's any specific systems that you'd like them set up in, or is there anything that you don't want them to have access to. And then you just simply save and close like a normal ticket. And then you can go back and you can check your open tickets. And you'll see the ticket sitting down here. So at any point in time you can go back into that ticket. You can add some more information just as you would normally by clicking on to the add a note, or you can add an attachment. So if you've got some ID maybe that you've collected from Mark that you want to share. We'll just go over the steps. So it's a two-step process for adding the new member of staff to your Lugo account, and as I mentioned, it's only available for people that have administrator rights within your business to be able to add new members of staff to your Lugo account. So do so, you simply log into the client portal, go to the Manage tab, select Users and click onto the New User button. On the General tab, you fill in the staff details, and then on the Client Portal tab, you tick that you want to activate the Client Portal and you fill in the new staff member's email address. Select Admin or Standard for the security level that you want to provide to that new user, and you save and close. The second step is to raise a new user ticket. So once you've added the new user, you go to the Ticket tab, click onto New Ticket and you select Add New User. Fill in all of the details requested and save and close. So Lugo will now add this new member of staff to the Lugo account. It will set them up in the relevant systems, and at any point in time you can log into the portal to check the status of this new user ticket. Thanks for watching today, and I hope it's been of benefit to you.